told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until...
Hello everyone, welcome to Mas Eko Dali's channel. This channel contains drawing activities. The images that have been drawn on this channel include images of trains, landscape images, perspective images, and many more images that you can find on this channel.
Fade away.
On this occasion, I will share the activity of drawing a train. The train that we will be drawing on this occasion is the Acela Amtrak train, which operates along the Northeast Corridor NEC of the United States, between Washington, D.C. and Boston through 14 stops of major stations, including Baltimore.
I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought in.
The Acela Express, the route is high speed, and the Acela Express is the fastest train in America, with a top speed of up to 165 miles per hour on a 28M.
Outside, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to...
Alright everyone, support this channel by subscribing and sharing this video on your social media, so that this channel can develop even better. Thanks.